Introducing the brand new app for Kenston Local Schools. It's everything Kenston Local Schools in your pocket. This is the home screen. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom left to see all the menu items. To turn on push notifications, tap Settings, select Notification Preferences, and allow notifications. Tap Subscriptions to subscribe to your school. The Events section shows a list of events throughout the school. Tap here to add an event to your calendar. The Feed is where you'll find updates from administration about what's going on throughout the school. Search Kenston Local Schools in the App Store or Play Store to explore the app for yourself. It's everything Kenston Local Schools in your pocket.